Article 243ZH of the Indian Constitution, part of the Constitution, 97th Amendment, Act, 2011, provides definitions related to cooperative societies. These definitions are key for understanding the governance and regulation of cooperative societies at various levels, local, state, and national. Here's an explanation of the terms defined in this article. Authorized person, Article 243ZQ. This refers to an individual specified in Article 243ZQ who has been given authority in relation to cooperative societies. The exact nature of this person's role would be defined in Article 243ZQ, likely relating to their authority over elections or oversight in cooperatives. Board. This term refers to the board of directors or the governing body responsible for managing the affairs of a cooperative society. Regardless of the name, this body is tasked with directing and controlling the operations of the society. Cooperative society. A cooperative society is an entity that is registered or is considered registered under any relevant law concerning cooperative societies that applies to a specific state. Cooperative societies function based on the principle of mutual benefit among their members. Multi-state cooperative society. This is a society whose objectives extend beyond a single state, making it a multi-state entity. Such a society is registered or is considered registered under laws that govern multi-state cooperatives. Office bearer. This term refers to key officials in a cooperative society, such as the president, vice president, chairperson, vice-chairperson, secretary, or treasurer. It can also include any other individual elected to the board of the society. Registrar. The registrar can be either the central registrar, appointed by the central government for multi-state cooperative societies, or the registrar appointed by the state government for cooperative societies under the state's laws. State Act. This refers to any law that has been passed by a state legislature, which pertains to cooperative societies. State-level cooperative society. A cooperative society that operates across an entire state and is defined as such under any law passed by the legislature of that state. These definitions lay the groundwork for interpreting the rights, responsibilities, and regulatory framework around cooperative societies in India, ensuring clarity in their management and functioning. The Constitution of India. Part 9b. The Cooperative Societies. Article 243ZH. Definitions. In this part, unless the context otherwise requires. A. Authorized person means a person referred to as such in Article 243ZQ. B. Board means the board of directors or the governing body of a co-operative society, by whatever name called, to which the direction and control of the management of the affairs of a society is entrusted to. C. Cooperative society means a society registered or deemed to be registered under any law relating to cooperative societies for the time being in force in any state. D. Multi-state cooperative society means a society with objects not confined to one state and registered or deemed to be registered under any law for the time being in force relating to such cooperatives. E. Office bearer means a president, vice president, chairperson, vice-chairperson, secretary or treasurer of a cooperative society and includes any other person to be elected by the board of any cooperative society. F. Registrar means the central registrar appointed by the central government in relation to the multi-state cooperative societies and the registrar for cooperative societies appointed by the state government under the law made by the legislature of a state in relation to cooperative societies. G. State Act means any law made by the legislature of a state. H. State-level cooperative society means a cooperative society having its area of operation extending to the whole of a state and defined as such in any law made by the legislature of a state.